Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix high jitter in Arc Raiders using simple steps that improve your connection and in-game performance. First, let's talk about network optimization tools. High jitter is usually caused by unstable routing between your device and the game server. To fix this, you can use software like Gear Booster or ExitLag. These tools automatically find a more stable and faster route to the game servers. After installing one of these programs, launch it, select Arc Raiders, and connect before starting the game. This can significantly reduce spikes and make your gameplay smoother. Next, adjust your in-game settings. Start by setting your region manually. Go to the game settings and look for the server or region option. If it is set to automatic, change it to a region closest to your physical location. This helps avoid connecting to distant servers, which often causes jitter and lag spikes. Now move on to graphics settings. Set your display mode to borderless fullscreen. This helps your system manage resources better and reduces sudden frame drops. Turn off VSync as it can introduce input delay and inconsistencies in frame timing. Then lower your shadow and effects settings to low or medium. This reduces the load on your system and keeps your performance stable during gameplay. Finally, make sure no background apps are using your internet. Close downloads, streaming apps, or browsers running in the background. Thanks for watching.